Hello everyone, welcome to CAPSA. Today we will learn about factors affecting the designing of control release drug delivery system. So today's topic is factors affecting the designing of controlled release drug delivery system, okay, or CRDDS. So control release drug delivery system based on the factors are of two types, okay. So what are the types? These are two types. First one is physicochemical properties and the second one is biological properties. Biological properties again subdivided into two categories. First one is pharmacokinetic properties. Second one is pharmacodynamic properties. Okay. First we will discuss about the physicochemical properties. Okay. So physicochemical properties. Among the physicochemical properties, first we need to understand about the molecular size. So, if a drug having a smaller molecular size, obviously it will dissolve faster. So, if the dissolution is faster, absorption will be faster. So, smaller molecular size shows faster dissolution, obviously leads to faster absorption. Coming to the next point, that is aqueous solubility. So, to understand about aqueous solubility, we need to think that if a compound shows the poor aqueous solubility, obviously it will shows the poor absorption through the oral route, and thus it will affect the bioavailability or shows the poor bioavailability. So, compounds with poor aqueous solubility shows poor absorption. So obviously less bioavailability. Now the third point is partition coefficient. It also represents the lipophilicity of the drug. So, if a drug having the partition coefficient or the lipophilicity, it obviously represents the permeability through the biological membrane. But in CRDDS or control release drug delivery system, it also determines the diffusion rate. So if the more partition coefficient, more will be the lipophilicity and more will be the penetration through the membrane. So shows the faster absorption. So more partition coefficient, more partition coefficient, more the lipophilicity, increased lipophilicity, more will be the penetration through the biological membrane, that will faster the absorption. Okay, now the last one is ionization at physiological pH. Or how a drug molecule remain in the ionized or unionized form in the physiological pH and how it varies with the absorption. We always know that unionized drugs always shows the faster absorption. So for acidic drug, the environment should be acidic. For to be remain in the unionized form and shows the faster absorption. And basic drug, the environment must be basic. So for acidic drug, acidic environment, and for basic drug, it will be basic environment. Okay. Now, what are the biological properties? So the next is biological properties. In the biological properties, first we will study about the pharmacokinetic parameters. So in the pharmacokinetic parameters, first one we need to consider is the rate of absorption or the absorption rate. So if a drug releases faster, then it will be available for faster dissolution. Obviously, shows the faster absorption. So faster the rate of release shows the faster dissolution leads to faster absorption. Now the next is, the second one is elimination half-life. Elimination half-life, or how the drug or how many time the drug taken to get excreted out from the body. So drugs with smaller half-life is suitable for this system, because if the half-life is smaller, larger amount of drug can be incorporated. So smaller half-life is suitable for CRDDS. Now, the next one is metabolism rate, or how much time taken a drug to get metabolized. Okay, or the rate of metabolism. So the drugs which shows the extensive hepatic metabolism is suitable for such system. Extensive hepatic metabolism suitable for CRDDS. Okay, coming to the next parameters, that is pharmacodynamic parameters. Okay, among the pharmacodynamic parameters, first we need to consider about the therapeutic index. So, to understand about therapeutic index, we need to think that larger the value of therapeutic index, obviously make the drug safer. So, the drugs with smaller values of therapeutic index obviously not suitable for CRDDS. So, smaller the therapeutic index or TI, not suitable for CRDDS. Okay. The next one is therapeutic range. A drug with wide therapeutic range, suitable for this type of system. So, wide therapeutic range suitable for CRDDS. So, these are the parameters I have tried to describe in small note. This topic is very much important for exam point of view. So, if you like my lecture, please do like, comment and subscribe to Grow CAPSA. Thank you for your patience.